Day my listeners. My name is Bamidele Simon. I am 16 years old. The names of my parents are Mr. and Mrs. Bamidele. The both of my parents are origin of Aiyede-Ekiti. My father worked as a security guard while my mother is a petty trader. I attended CSC National Primary School, Aiyede-Ekiti, Ekiti State, in the year 2013 to 2018, where I did my common entrance. And I was admitted into secondary school called Aiyede School, Aiyede-Ekiti, Ekiti State, in the year 2018 to date. Now I am a bona fide student of Aiyede Grammar School, Aiyede-Ekiti, from JSS1 to SS1, which is my current class. I am aspiring to become a nurse because nurse is someone who trained to look after him or injured person, especially in the hospital. The reason I want to become a nurse is to help people, treat people, and save lives. My role plan is the most important thing, to focus on my education, obtain my JAMB, and sit down for my West African examination council, which is why come out to the black color and furthermore in my education in universities like Nsuka, Lautech, and to another best university in Nigeria. That's my role plan. Reasons why I require MEF support. First, I require MEF support to achieve my goal. Secondly, I also require MEF support because I don't want my aspiration push-up to be tarnished. Thirdly, I require MEF support because to become a nurse is not an easy task. That is why I'm pleading for this support. My conclusion says, what will happen if I don't get MEF support? Fine, if this opportunity is not given to me, then I hope a better way ahead. Because an adage says, he who failed in the time of adversity is said to be weak, and he who falls shall rise. With my few points, I hope I'll be able to achieve this. Thanks for listening.